Hello all, welcome back to the tutorial of C programming. Hi, this is Sakthi Arun, an MTech student from NIT Patna, technically supporting the missile Ingeniator. So in this lecture, I'm going to explain you guys how we declare and print the data types in C. So in my last tutorial, I have given you guys what are the data types available in a C and also the explanation of data types, how we declare those data types, what are the data types, okay. So in this lecture, we'll be running all those data types in C in the code blocks. Okay, at first let me give an declaration how we declare the int. Basically int store 2 bytes, so let me declare int and I assign the value to int as 10. Suppose I assigning integer value to an identifier a as 10. Now let me print the value of a. So to print the value of a, the value of a equals to, so percentage d for integer. So this percentage is actually given for an integer. So this last n as a escape sequence for new line. So comma a. So let me run this. So I got the value of a as 10. Okay. So now let me note that this is an integer. So now let us go for the next one. Okay, so actually the forward slash is for as a single line command. Now let me give float. So float b equal to 3.14. okay, or for meaning wise I give pi equal to 3.14. so single floating operation will give we can store about 3 to 4. If for a short decimal point you can use a float. So I am going to print the value of float. Let me copy this. Okay. So value of pi. So for printing the float value you have to give percentage ef. Okay, and then give here pi. Now let me run this. So the value of pi is 3.14. Suppose if you want to print more decimal value, then you have to give double precision. So you have to give double, and same pi I gonna give value as 3.1444. Suppose I want to print this value, then I have to give okay. So I change the pi to pi underscore dubs. I'm assigning the value as a pi underscore dubs. I copy this. So let me print it here. So to print the value of double, you have to give lf for long for floating value. So that lf represent you can print the value of double. Okay. Yeah, I can find here it's a 3.1444. Suppose okay, let me give a command line as this is float and this is for print double. Okay, so next is if you want to print the value of character actually stores a single it's a 1 byte value, so you can store only one letter. So if I basically declaring a char, and char is char it is equal to, suppose I given variable name as f, and f equal to single character, I give h, capital H. Okay, so I terminate it, and if I want to print the value of character I have to give percentage c. Okay, so I copy this one, print off here, and value of f represents the car. Okay, so this is for a car, and then I change this to f. So to print the value of a character you have to give percentage c. So run this. Yeah, you got an h. H is actually I given here the character value as h. Okay, suppose if you here the integer value actually store only one value. Suppose if you want to declare array of value, then you have to give int a and then array. You can give 3 such that it can store only 3 values now. So 0, 1, 2. Okay, so about the array I'll be explaining guys in the further lecture video. So as of now I'm going to explain only how we declare an array. This is how you declare an array. So if you want to print the value of any array, you have to give let me copy this. So for printing the value of integer, you have to give percentage d. So it's all same. So I am printing the value as a of 2. Suppose if I print it's 0, 1, 2. So I am expecting the value of 2 to be printed. So now I am resimulating. Okay, sorry, I made a small mistake. Okay. I declare I have to declare some other value, so it's trade, so I give here v. Okay, so now let me resimulate. Yeah, now the value of that is 2 as expected. It came. Sorry, I can give v such that you'll get understand. Okay, so the value of v of I have given v of 2. So first value is 0, 1, 2. This is in the second position of array we have value as 2. So suppose if you for understanding I can give 5. So now 0, 1, 2. In the second place we have 5. So I'm expecting the value of 5 to come. Okay, yes, 5 has came. Okay, so this is how you declare an array. So basically pointer, for declaring the pointer actually holds the address of an another value. Suppose you want to print the value of a in the sense of a pointer, then you give int you have to give int pointer. So for pointer I'm declaring like this pointer, and pointer actually stores the address of the next variable. So ampersand a. Now if I print this value, then I'll be getting the value of a. So I have to give like this print of, you have to print the value of then a with the help of pointer. So I have to copy this and put it here. Now if I run, yeah, okay, sorry, if I managed to add. Yeah, the value of a is 10. So this is how you declare an pointer. So let me give an so this is array, and this is an pointer. Okay, so I given enough explanation for how we declare and print the value of data types. Okay, so for more videos you can catch up in the further upcoming videos. If you have any doubt, you can comment it in our you can comment. I'll give a explanation for your queries. Okay, so thank you guys, thanks for watching the video.